SUVs are absolutely flooding the market, but there are 10 of them that you might want to consider offloading before they hit 36,000 miles, which seems like an oddly specific number. But here's the thing, 3 years and 36,000 miles is sort of the industry standard for a powertrain warranty. And according to Consumer Reports, who tracks things like reliability issues, maintenance costs, and common breakdowns, these vehicles could end up being more trouble than they're worth to hang on to once the warranty period is up. Starting with the 2024 Nissan Pathfinder. While packed with features and a pretty powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine, has been plagued by several issues that might make you reconsider keeping it long term. Owners have reported frequent problems with the in-car electronics, including glitches in the infotainment systems and frustrating phone connectivity issues. What's more is the Pathfinder's continuously variable transmission, or CVT. It's been notoriously troublesome, with complaints from rough shifting to sensor malfunctions, and even straight-up transmission failure. Some owners have also faced significant coolant leaks into the transmission itself, stemming from defective oil coolers that lead to costly repairs and can and often do easily exceed $4,000 to get fixed. Consumer Reports gives it a rating of just 20 out of 100. Considering these frequent issues and the potential for high repair costs, it might be wise to part ways with your Pathfinder before the warranty runs out. You should be careful if considering a Pathfinder on the used market. The Ford Explorer has long been a popular choice among SUV buyers, and I'm sure as you've noticed, your local police department too. For consumers, it makes a lot of sense. A modern 3-row SUV that can be had for around $25,000 and comes loaded with tech. All seems like a pretty good deal. But recent models have seen a spike in reliability concerns. Common issues include transmission problems, with owners reporting hard shifts, delays, flaring, and, you guessed it, even complete failure in some cases. The Explorer's standard 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, while efficient, has shown signs of premature turbocharger failure and excessive oil consumption. Additionally, the electrical system has been a headache for many, with frequent issues in the infotainment and driver assistance systems. These problems can start cropping up well below the 36,000-mile mark, making it a risky long-term investment. Consumer Reports gives it an overall rating of just 12 out of 100, and it's one of the most recalled vehicles in recent history. Between you and me, it's probably one you're best to avoid. Jeep's Grand Cherokee has a rugged appeal, good looks, and a frankly pretty upscale interior, but it's also garnered a reputation for unreliability. Both the 3.6-liter V6 and the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 are actually historically pretty solid engines, as is the ZF-designed 8-speed automatic transmission. For some reason though, when installed in the Grand Cherokee L in particular, many owners have experienced rough shifting, hesitation, and even unexpected stalls. Furthermore, electrical gremlins such as faulty sensors and infotainment glitches add to the list of concerns. Consumer Reports gives it a reliability score of just 13 out of 100, and given these issues, selling your Cherokee before reaching 36,000 miles could save you from significant headaches and repair bills. The Chevrolet Traverse and its identical but slightly more upscale GMC Acadia brother both offer plenty of space and reasonable comfort, but its reliability record isn't as impressive. This SUV was reimagined in 2017 when GM scaled the old full-size Traverse platform down by 7 inches in length and found a way to drop 700 pounds of weight, moving it squarely into the mid-size SUV category. Consumer Reports served up a reliability rating of 27 out of 100. With the leading complaints being water leaks from the sunroof due to defective or incorrectly installed drain hoses, climate controls that just straight up don't work, and overall build quality concerns, squeaks and rattles and trim that falls apart, stuff like that. It's seen more than a handful of recalls over the years, with the most serious one being missing fasteners on the drivetrain, which can result in leaks and potential failure of the transmission. Unfortunately, the 3.6-liter V6 engine has faced issues as well, with premature timing chain wear and excessive oil consumption. And all taken together, you're probably best dumping this SUV before the warranty cup runs dry. The Volkswagen Atlas has been praised for its spacious interior and smooth ride, but it's not without its problems. Atlas has had a minor facelift over the years, but it's still in its first generation, and it seems like they haven't quite squashed all the bugs just yet. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine options are efficient, but feel underpowered, and they have a host of issues on their own. The V6 version, though, has proven itself reliable. 16 separate recalls have been placed on the 2021 Atlas, one of which revolves around cracks that can develop in the steering knuckle, which could result in a total loss of control. And as per Consumer Reports, issuing a reliability score of just 14 out of 100, it's clear these vehicles have some problems. Owners complain of various electrical glitches, build quality problems that result in rattles in the doors, and creaky plastic all over. And unfortunately, even at its average price of around $25,000, making it attractive for a used SUV from Germany, you might be better off avoiding it. The Honda Pilot is a family favorite, and historically a pretty safe bet when shopping on the used market. However, Honda reliability might not be what it once was. If you want to learn more about that, then click the link up in the corner there and go check it out. One of the most common issues reported by owners is with the 9-speed automatic transmission, which can exhibit rough shifting, delays, and unexpected jerks. The Pilot's 3.5-liter V6 engine, while generally reliable, has had issues with the fuel injectors and variable cylinder management system, which can lead to engine misfires and reduced performance, and on the 2020 model year, the engine is currently under a recall for a potentially mismanufactured crankshaft, which can result in engine failure. Additionally, the SUV's infotainment system has been known to freeze and reboot unexpectedly. And that's all before we remark on the Pilot's below-average handling and agility. Given these potential problems, and factoring in Consumer Reports' reliability rating of just 36 out of 100, selling your Pilot before the 60,000-mile factory powertrain warranty is up might not be the worst idea. The Kia Sorento offers a ton of features for the price, but it also comes with its share of issues. Over 50% of the reported problems have to do with this SUV's dual-clutch transmission, which can be jerky, unresponsive, set check engine lights, and even cause the vehicle to stall. Additionally, the Sorento's 2.5-liter turbocharged engine has been known to consume oil at an alarming rate, leading to potential engine damage if not addressed. Considering these concerns, selling your Sorento before the warranty expires could save you from costly repairs. The Infiniti QX50, with its stylish design and luxurious interior, initially seems like a dream SUV for many. However, its variable compression turbo engine struggles with consistent performance, making acceleration a frustratingly unpredictable experience. And while Consumer Reports did not give the car or the engine a formal reliability score, predicted reliability is very low. And I can tell you from personal experience, one of my best friends works for Infiniti. These engines have been dropping like flies. When you couple that with the continuously variable transmission that feels more like a rubber band than a smooth operator, and the steer-by-wire steering system that's about as disconnected from the road as you can get, the driving experience leaves a lot to be desired. Moreover, the QX50's dual-screen infotainment system, while visually impressive, is notoriously clunky and unintuitive, transforming simple tasks into frustrating challenges. Owner satisfaction is 1 out of 5. And while the warranty period offers a safety net for these numerous quirks and potential issues, it's probably wise to sell the QX50 before the coverage expires. Subaru's Ascent offers plenty of space and standard all-wheel drive, and it seems like the logical choice if you're a Subaru type of person but need something larger than the Outback. It's a comfortable and nice riding SUV, but it's also been plagued by reliability issues. Owners have reported frequent problems with the SUV's CVT, including rough shifting, hesitation, and even total failures. Also, the Ascent's 2.4-liter turbocharged engine is, and I think we're seeing a trend here, also known for excessive oil consumption and the occasional turbocharger failure. Add in that the Ascent gets less than stellar fuel economy, and the spacious cabin that's packed with features has come under scrutiny for build quality, and the Ascent stops looking like such a great idea after all. Consumer Reports ranks reliability just 22 out of 100, and overall owner satisfaction is just 2 out of 5. Before we get to the last car in today's video, we have to hit today's honorable mentions: the 2021 Chevrolet Suburban, Tahoe, and GMC Yukon. With a Consumer Reports reliability score of just 12 out of 100, you've got to be asking yourself, why is this just an honorable mention? Well, truth is, while a large number of these trucks have issues, not all of them do.
The main pain point with these comes from fuel system problems, which can result in a no-start situation, and GM's active fuel management system, which has been historically unreliable since its introduction in 2008. In fact, engines equipped with the system from model years 2014 clear on up to 2021 are currently part of a large class action lawsuit, which has yet to be resolved. There are countless reports of vehicles requiring engine replacement well below 30,000 miles, but there are also reports of 2021 model year vehicles with over 150,000 miles trouble-free. It seems like luck of the draw with these, and for us, it's not a risk worth taking signing on the dotted line for one of these SUVs. The 2022 Volvo XC60 plug-in hybrid, despite its initial allure of Swedish luxury and eco-friendly driving, has shown significant issues that might make you consider selling it before the warranty runs out. Compiling data from their own testing and combining it with reports from owners of these vehicles, Consumer Reports has given a reliability rating of just 4 out of 100, citing issues of frequent software problems, powertrain issues, climate control problems, hybrid battery woes, and build quality concerns, which can all cause significant inconvenience and potentially serious damage to your bank account. There you have it, folks. 10 SUVs you might want to consider selling before they hit that 36,000 mile mark. Their potential for costly repairs and reliability issues make them risky long-term investments. If you own any of these SUVs, it might be worth considering a trade-in or sale before those problems start piling up. And if you're in the market for an SUV, hopefully this video helps inform you on which ones you might want to stay away from.
If you found this helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing. We've got fresh automotive content from news and reviews to lists just like this one coming along nearly every single day. Go check out some of our other videos right over here. My name's Trav. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next week.